my son?
Well, you know, most of them.
Happy to see you too. Oh, what? I'm in my house. You're in my house. Man, no, you're here. What? Oh, okay. Okay. No. Just, come on. Thanks, bud. Toothless, stay here. Come on, guys, get ready! Hold on, son, here we go! I knew it. I'm dead.
No, but you gave it your best shot. So, what do you think?
Hey, look! It's Victor!
Turns out all we needed was a little bit of this.
You just gestured all of me.
Well, most of you. That bit's my handiwork. With a little hiccup flair thrown in. You think it'll do?
I might make a few tweaks.
That's for scaring me.
What is it always gonna be this way? I could get used to it.
Welcome home.
Hey, Cutie! Oh, get down! You ready? This is Burke. It snows 9 months of the year and hails the other 3. Any food that grows here is tough and tasteless. The people that grow here are even more so. The only upsides are the pets. Well, other places have homes or